First, we install the platform and stand. Loosen the screws at the bottom of the stand. Align it with the bottom and tighten the screws. Rotate and tighten the stand. There is a scale right in front. When rotating the stand, take 90 度 of the scale as the center. What we need to install now is the lifting part. Loosen the screws and assemble the lift part on the stand. Tighten the screws on the back to fix it. Install optical lenses. The side with magnification is the front. Install it on the lifting part. Tighten the screws to fix it. The next step is to install the camera. Unscrew the cap at the bottom of the camera. Attach the camera to the lens and rotate it until it is tight. Loosen the light source screws. Attach the light source to the lens and rotate it until it is tight. This is the light source controller. One end is connected to the light source end. The other end is connected to the power supply. At last, plug in the power supply. This is the motor control cable. Line the lifting part and camera port and plug them in. This is the power supply of camera. Plug into the corresponding port of the camera and then connect to power. This is network cable. One end is connected to the USB port of camera, and the other end is connected to the computer. The installation is complete.